Welcome to 3 Village Court. This lovely, updated 4-bedroom, 2 full bath ranch style home. Covered front porch. Large fenced backyard. Patio. An updated interior with luxury vinyl plank flooring, as well as granite countertops. And the kitchen and bathrooms is located in West Sumter, just 45 minutes outside of Southeast Columbia. Also convenient to Congaree National Forest, Shaw Air Force Base, and as we mentioned, just a quick commute to Columbia. So we're outside. You can see you have the home sits on a nice sort of round cul-de-sac in the neighborhood. You have a large lot. Driveway on the left side leads you up to a nice side entry 2-car garage, as you can see there. And then you can see the backyard. It sort of tucks back around behind where you see that shed. It's on sort of a pie-shaped lot because it's on the cul-de-sac, so you have a larger lot and backyard than it actually appears. But just walking across the front yard, so we quickly get to the front entry and take a look inside. So as you can see, just a covered front entry here, and then we step inside and we'll show you from the other side that you have a nice double door entry off the front of the home. So both those doors do open up. This one sort of locks into place when it's not being used, but you have some nice windows in this foyer space. And then you can see that it connects once you're inside to the family room, also to the formal dining here on the left side. And right off the entry here as well, you do have a nice coat closet, also where your electrical panel lives. So again, the formal dining room here off the kitchen. You have nice crown molding throughout as well, as you can see. Nice corner window, and then again the additional window from the foyer, letting a lot of natural light into the dining room. And then you have a nice opening into the kitchen. So a pretty open flow. You have an eat-in area in the kitchen here as well in the corner. And you can see nice molding around the kitchen cabinets. You have white cabinets, updated stainless steel appliances, as well as a granite countertop. You have a side-by-side fridge, above range microwave, smooth top electric range, and a nice flat panel dishwasher. Window over the sink, looking out over the backyard space. And then you have your laundry area in this back corner. As you can see, really nice size with a window, some additional cabinets, a great counter and cabinet space throughout. And then your access to the garage. So that laundry room sort of functions as a mudroom as well. And a really nice size 2-car garage that you step down into. In the corner here, you also have a workshop and utility storage area as well. So you have some upper, lower storage, sort of a workbench in there, and you do have a door that closes that off separate, so you don't have to have or use the garage itself for that. So back inside, we'll go across the kitchen into the family room. So as you can see, nice size family room with the fireplace. We'll actually back out so you can see that a little better. And flanked by a window on one side and nice sliding door on the other. And we'll see if we can get you out here into the really nice patio space. As you can see, beautiful patio off the back of the home. You have some nice lighting installed at the time of the video. But you can see sort of what we mentioned in the backyard, where the yard sort of continues back behind that shed way into the corner back there. So you have sort of a more narrow but really long backyard, and some nice privacy kind of hedges and shrubs planted along there as well. And then back inside, Finally off of the family room, we'll just swing around to get you one more view from this angle. But off the family room, you have your hall, and you have 4 bedrooms off the hall. So we'll just start here off the family room. So this is one of 4 bedrooms again. This one looks out toward the rear of the home. I believe all of them do have ceiling fans, and you saw the closet there just behind the bifold doors. And then bedroom number 3. For there being 4 bedrooms in the home, they all are a nice size. You can see the closet here again. Sort of goes back behind the door on both sides a bit. And then as we continue down, you have your full bathroom off the hall. So you have tile flooring in the hallway, as well as in the updated granite countertops on the vanity. And then you have a shower and tub tiled at the back with a nice window. And your commode tucked into the alcove. Some nice stylish shelving along the wall. And then last but not least, in this space, you do have tucked behind the door a nice linen closet as well. There's also an attic pull down in the hall. There may be some possible storage up there. Bedroom number 3. Again, really nice size. This one front facing and roughly similar closet to the ones we've seen so far. And finally, last but not least, we have the primary suite. It's at the end of the home, faces the backyard. I believe that other room was front facing. I'm not sure if I said front or rear. But a couple of shelves on the wall there. And then you have a walk-in closet, as well as your full bathroom, tile flooring, updated granite vanity, and your tiled shower and tub. So that completes our tour of this home. The address again is 3 Village Court in Sumter. You can find more information online at sc.purepm.co.